If this is your first time meditating, you do not need to worry about doing anything perfectly. Thoughts will come and go. Distractions will happen. Meditation is not about emptying the mind. It is simply the practice of gently returning your attention again and again. And today, we'll begin with the most natural thing your body already knows how to do: breathing. So allow your shoulders to soften. Allow your jaw to relax. And let's begin together. Now, find a position that feels comfortable for you. You do not need to sit perfectly. Just allow your body to rest naturally. And gently notice where your body is touching the chair, the floor, or the bed beneath you. Allow your shoulders to soften. Relax the muscles around your eyes and let your jaw unclench slightly. There is nowhere else you need to be right now. Nothing to solve, nothing to force. Just this moment and your breath. Now, bring your attention to your breathing. There is no need to change the breath. Just notice it exactly as it is. Notice the inhale and the exhale. Perhaps you feel the air moving through your nose, or the gentle rise and fall of your chest or your stomach. Simply observing. And if the mind wanders, that is completely normal. The moment you notice your attention drifting, gently return to the breath. No judgment, no frustration, just returning. Breathing in and breathing out. If thoughts appear, let them pass naturally, like clouds moving across the sky. And once again, return to the breath. Nothing else to do. Nowhere else to be. Just breathing. One moment at a time. For the next few moments, simply stay with the breath. No need to force concentration. Just noticing and returning. Breathing in and breathing out. Thoughts may still appear. That is natural. You do not need to fight them. Simply let them pass and return to the next breath. Rest here for a moment, with nothing to change, nothing to control, and nowhere else to be. Take one slow breath in and slowly let it go. And before we finish, notice that you made time to simply be present. Even if your mind wandered, even if you were distracted, you are still meditating. Because meditation is not about having a perfectly quiet mind. It is the gentle practice of returning your attention again and again. So today, there is nothing to judge, nothing to force, and nothing you needed to do perfectly. Just breathing, just noticing, one moment at a time. And when you are ready, gently bring your attention back to the room around you. Thank you for being here with me today. I'm Lana Vosey from Anera Calm, and I'll see you in the next session.